Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of hotels.com. You will click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about hotels.com. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.